Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sai. In this video, we'll discuss about Nifty 50 and Bank Nifties of today's market, and we'll discuss how they will perform in tomorrow expiry. And also it is the month expiry also tomorrow. So we'll discuss. Hope you watch this video end of the okay. First we will discuss about Nifty Bank. We already from previous 2 days we are discussing the strong resistance line. You see, this is a strong resistance line. We already know the range. We already taken the range. See, this is the range we are taken. Okay, from today the market has taken the support and try to come back, and again at the time to the yesterday morning itself the market has taken this support and came back. Okay, today morning in the morning it gave some bullish sign. You see, in this candle in 15 minutes it gave some bullish sign and went and touched our resistance. You see here, this resistance is the strongest resistance. Okay, because why I'm telling the resistance is strong, because the market, you see here, the market has passed here. Okay, passed means it's like taken rest and try to come down. You see, market has below given closing and try to come to this support. So market didn't come to up to support. Today's market has closed near to this level. You see, day's high. This is the yesterday's day's high. Market has given closing there. We'll see what happens in tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, whether it is giving gap up, means the market might be still in the range. We already know the market is giving sell signal, so we cannot expect buy. If we expect, it might be like 50 to 80 points, like near to 100 points only, more than that. Okay, slowly if it is giving gap down here it might give. Okay, because why, this is a strong, and also it given the closing, yesterday's closing and today's day's low might give here. Slowly it might give some booking. Okay, what we say profit booking, and slowly it might touch this line. Okay, if not is touching this line, the market might be still in the range. So we see, until unless if it is giving closing below this line, we will not plan for selling. So we have to see whether it is giving below this line or not. Okay, so we can see this one also, that RSI, which prefers you to see the buyers and sellers strength. Okay, you see the seller strength. You see, buyer strength is already taken up to here. When it reached the resistance line, the market suddenly fallen. You see the fall movement also. You see already it came near to 40. We cannot expect the market might go again upside. If we want the market go upside, it has to take some range market, then it can move upside. Okay, so we'll see tomorrow market. Tomorrow is the expiry day, so better you not trade. You don't trade anything. Okay, until unless you see any price action. Okay, price action in the sense market is coming like this, means you see this is the okay, one second. This is the market. This is taking gap down. The market is slightly moving down and coming upside, and again it is coming like this. So in this you can go with selling price action. It is working. Or else market is taking the flat market. So flat market is, market might be in this range only, no problem, or else it might go like this. This is the range we will be expecting. Gap up or flat, no trading. If market is giving some gap down, we will be thinking market has some sellers pressure, so the market will come down and it will try to come up. If it is not okay, the market is trying to take over with sellers only, the market will slowly, it will come down, it will give below this closing line, then you can trade for selling. Okay, we'll see what happens in Nifty also, and overall I will tell you what to trade. Okay, you see here in the Nifty 50, this is the trend line. We already know in the 15 minutes time frame, we already draw this trend line. You see already 1 2 third time we didn't touch, market came down. We already draw this one also. This is the one. resistance, and this is the one support. We already know the market didn't give closing below this one yesterday, so market slightly came up, down, came up. Okay, so we thought like today market might touch this 200 EMA, but that didn't work because already we drew this trend line. So it taken their resistance, means it's like you see in the crossway. This is also a trend line, but also we can say this is also a resistance line. It is touching this line and again try to come this to break this line. Okay, so we can expect tomorrow downtrend only, no problem, downtrend it will happen. So based on that, you can see the RSI also, how the RSI is performing, how the sellers and buyer strength is there. You see RSI, this total came down, sudden movement. No one can expect this one, but we can expect, because if you draw any trend line in 15 minutes time frame, you know compulsory market will come down. If you're not drawing this one, you cannot say. Okay, because already you saw this uptrend, and you can say, you can think like it will go to, if it is coming slow movement, like you can expect to 200 ml, you will be thinking, but this is the trend line, you will be there that touching the trend line, it again came down. The movement also you see, suddenly it came down, the movement is at suddenly. So until unless you see any candle closing based closing in 15 minutes time frame, you will be seeing here, then only you can go for selling. Until unless you cannot go for selling. Okay, the as usual the buying is okay. Until unless you can see any candle above this one, you can go for buying. Okay, and we'll discuss about Nifty Bank also. Draw this one. In Nifty Bank, you can see the market itself in the try to go down only, because it slowly came down. You see, slowly it is coming down. Again it came this much down, and it's try to that after this much trend, the market has to come down. After coming down, the market has to make consolidate movements. Consolidate movements means the market has to be like this, because it might create some range. After that it might take off upside, or after that it might take off downside. Okay, so it is not happened here. So we cannot expect market go straightly again upside, because this much down came again. We cannot expect market will go straight again. So market is trying to come downside only, we can expect with this. If you see any closing below this one, you can go for selling. For now, no buying. We can see when you come with the 1 day time frame also. See, when you come in 1 day time frame, 1 second, I don't know. Yeah, you see the selling pressure. See, the selling pressure is happened. So after below this one closing, if like market is moving below this, means you can expect up to here. No problem. You can expect up to here, because here is a strong resistance line. Okay, if it like market is not still having some selling pressure, means market still might move. Okay, before itself, how much it moved? You see, nearly it came around 30 points. Now also it is around 30 points. So we can expect still it might go to 20 points. When it is going to 20 points, it compulsory it will then touch this one 200 ml, and then only it might be in the some range market, and slowly it will get back. Okay. If you like this video, please the like video and share, and do subscribe. I will send market analysis every day. Okay. Thank you.